Give me 5 minutes to really convince you not to make a vision board this year. Yeah, I said it, because here's the truth that nobody really wants to tell you. Vision boards do not fail because your goals are unrealistic. They fail because you never built the habits that you were supposed to for the pictures that you printed. And another thing, your vision is not a 12-month assignment. Your vision literally takes years. Take me, for example. I'm ambitious as hell. If I want a car, I want a specific car. If I travel, it has to be a specific room with a specific experience. My standards are pretty high, and they take time. So let's really talk about why vision boards do not work for ambitious women like us. You see, vision boards aren't bad. They're just not complete. Ambitious women do not need to be inspired. We really just need structure, a way to get there. We need accountability, a step-by-step plan to execute. We need systems, clarity, a blueprint. A vision board gives you the picture, but it does not give you the actual full picture of the process. No map, no milestones, no habits. You're really just going off of vibes and motivation, and that's cute and all, but you're really not changing your life. Here's how I see it. A vision board is basically a 3 or a 5-year plan, but it has to be strategic, the same way that corporate does it. You don't build $1 million project off of one pretty slide. You build it with planning, the scope, a bunch of timelines, you have habits, you have resources, and you have different checkpoints. So why are you treating your entire life like it's just some 1-year Pinterest project? If you're going to make a vision board, make it for the long-term life, not just from January to December. But for 2026, we're going to be doing something a little different. For 2026, I'm not making a vision board. I'm putting everything inside of a Notion template, and I'm going to be mapping out my goals just like I would a long-term project, because my goals do not build my life. My habits do. You want the body, but you don't have the sleep habits as yet. You want the money, but you don't have the spending habits just as yet. We need to build that slowly. You want peace, but you do not have the boundaries set. A vision board will not fix all of that. It's just a pretty picture. That's why I'm using the 5 realignment questions. These are the same ones that helped me get clearer than any vision board has ever done me. Like literally trying to figure out what habits block my body goals and what support do I actually need to achieve these goals. And that's really the part that a lot of women tend to skip. This is going to be the last video I'm posting in 2025, and I want to say this with love. If nothing changes about your habits and the way you are running your life, nothing will change about your life, period. The new year is not a reward for just this motivation. It rewards structure. Structure gets results. So instead of asking yourself,
who do I want to become in 2026?
Maybe you should ask, what habits and systems and support do I actually need to sustain the woman on that vision board? That's the real work, and that's what you need to think about. That's the long-term alignment, and that's what ambitious women actually need today. So I'm going to invite you to download my 2026 Realignment Notion template. It's literally free. The link is in the description so you can grab it right now. Literally, before you hang up a vision board or pick a word to stick to for the rest of the year, really sit down and ask yourself the 5 questions on the template. If you want 2026 to really feel different, you need a system, not a pretty collage and random pictures you found online. I'm inviting you to download the template because it's free, and do this with me. 2026 is not about a new version of you. It's about raising your goals and really continuing to develop the version of you that thrives no matter what life throws at you. If you've been supporting me from the beginning, or if you're new to this channel, buckle up. I'm super excited for next year's videos. I hope you guys have a wonderful new year, and I will talk to you guys soon.
Head toss, check my nails. Baby, how you feeling? Head toss, check my nails. Baby, how you feeling?